Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create product category in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all you need to do is just to install or add themes that has the category page that is already added. For example, you can go to appearance and from there we will find the themes. In my case, I'm using Astra theme since it has many themes or it has many templates that you can use for your WooCommerce. So here I can go just to the Astra starter templates and from there I can choose from many templates that are concerning WooCommerce or any online store. So you can go here and go for online shop and all these are WooCommerce websites. Basically they will have a category page and after that you can simply go back to your admin panel and then you can go for example to your store and you will need just to customize your page. So either you can customize with Elementor or WordPress blog or anything. You will need just to go to your customization, and as you can see my active theme is Astra, and of course you can change your theme, and from here you can find your global, and basically you will need just to choose your page or to search for the page that you would like. So here you can find the single pages and you can start modifying them. So I'm just going back and basically you can just search for the category page that would be here within the elements, and you will be able to create and modify your category page.